Well, hello, beautiful people. So, today in this video, I am going to be talking about the organic Just Berry cranberry juice, and the brand is RW Knudsen Family. And you can see the ingredients and the calories and the story behind. 1961, Knudsen started bottling fruit juice from his grapevine on one condition. He insisted his juices never contain artificial flavors or preservatives. So that is amazing for, you pretty much like, hey, look, I want this juice to be authentic and I want it to be real. And he actually has one with grapefruit, and that tastes pretty good. And I'm not really a big fan of grapefruit, but man, that tastes really, 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 really good. And you can see right here that's made with the finest all natural ingredients, no preservatives and no artificial flavors, for goodness sake. And I also like where you can see, like, for a cup of serving for fruit, I should say, it lets you know like each 8 ounce of the cup provides 1 cup serving of fruit. So it's really, I don't know, to me it's kind of hard. To me, I think it's kind of hard for me to find like a cranberry, like just like cranberry. I don't want to waste any of that. I really gotta be careful. But it's kind of hard for me to find like just like cranberry. I don't know why. So I was like, okay, maybe I need to go ahead and try some cranberry juice. And the benefits behind it is amazing. Like, for instance, let me go ahead and triple up. So, health benefits of cranberry juice, including relief urinary tract infection, UTI, respiratory disorders, kidney stones, cancer, and heart diseases. It also can, it's beneficial in preventing stomach disorders, diabetes, as well as gum diseases. That is crazy. I didn't know that. But yeah, I pretty much just take it by itself, and man, the taste. That's the only thing. Cranberry juice is tart. Like this one right here, this is real. There's really no sugar added on. It's just pure, real cranberry juice, and it is tart. Sometimes when you drink something or you taste something tart, and you kind of ooh. I do that every single time when I drink cranberry juice. And I've also heard it helps to cleanse out your system as well too. That's another thing that I heard. But it says research shows that drinking cranberry juice regularly can help preventing reoccurring UTIs, middle-aged and pregnant women. What else does it say? Oh, okay, it can prevent the UTI too. But yeah, like I said, I've heard a lot that it can cleanse out your system, especially if you drink it on a continuous basis. Okay, and it can help reduce swelling, prevent blood clots, and eliminate tumors. Okay, and then like I was saying before, it can definitely help with the heart. It can lower the risk of heart-related elements and assist of sustaining cardiovascular health. Oh, okay, good. All right, so I'm gonna try to pour it in this little cup so you can see what it looks like. may have to stop the video and make another one. Maybe I need to do that. Okay, so I poured in a little cup. I kind of like a shot. I take a good amount of cranberry juice shots whenever I can. I actually had one this morning, and I guess, I mean, this is going to be my other shot, even though I didn't pour it all the way to the top. I just wanted you to see like the color and what it looks like, and Jesus. Let me go ahead and drink this now. Woo, that's tart. But it's good for you. Sometimes everything that's healthy doesn't always taste the best, but you do get used to it. At first, I was like, oh man. But I just sucked it in because I was just like, this is good for me. This is really good for me. And I just feel healthy too, especially when I drink a good cup or a good shot of this stuff. Like, I don't know, I feel good. Like, my body loves this stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep taking it. I actually started buying cranberry juice, I think like a month or two ago, and I started noticing how my body really loved it and was flushing my system out and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and continue on buying this cranberry juice. Ooh. Ooh. So again, this is the R.W. Knudsen organic just cranberry juice.